Let's review how to use the Video Rotator accordion on the video editor page of Toolkit.law. Select the Suite section, then the Creative Suite, and open the video editor page. Scroll down and click on the Video Rotator accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can start by selecting your video, on your device or from Box, Dropbox, Clio, Google Drive or OneDrive. After your video loads, a live preview appears along with exact duration details, letting you confirm you've selected the right clip. Use the built-in controls to play, scrub, adjust speed, or enable picture-in-picture for full visibility. When ready, rotate your video instantly 90 degrees clockwise or counterclockwise with a single click, no timelines or rendering delays. Once complete, you can download in multiple formats, clear the workspace to start a new project. You can also share securely via link, email, or feedback. This workflow ensures professional, fast, and reliable video handling for court submissions, client communications, and internal reviews. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's Video Rotator accordion.